Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're driving up St. Bernard Avenue, one of the main streets in New Orleans that stretches from a few blocks from the Mississippi River up to Lake Pontchartrain. We begin at North Rampart Street in the 7th Ward. Note that this is a neighborhood name designated by the New Orleans City Planning Commission and does not cover the entire 7th political ward. All of St. Bernard Avenue and the neighborhoods we're about to drive through are within the 7th Ward of the City of New Orleans. After passing one of New Orleans' famous potholes decorated with an orange barrel, we reach North Claiborne Avenue. The I-10 expressway runs along the viaduct above. At North Broad Avenue, which carries US Highway 90, we enter the Fairgrounds neighborhood, named for the New Orleans Fairgrounds Racecourse, located just a few blocks to the west of here. This neighborhood is also home to St. Louis Cemetery No. 3 on Bayou St. John. As we approach the five-way intersection of St. Bernard, Gentilly Boulevard, and Desailles Boulevard, the turquoise-colored Spirit House art project, dedicated in 2002, is visible on the neutral ground to the left. This sculpture celebrates the contributions of unnamed African Americans to the building and culture of New Orleans. As we pass under the Norfolk Southern Railroad trestle and I-610, we enter the St. Bernard area, where the St. Bernard housing project was once located on the right-hand side of the street. The St. Bernard projects were built beginning in the early 1940s and were vacated in 2005 after Hurricane Katrina. The buildings were demolished in 2008 and replaced by mixed-income housing, some of which is still under construction or in the planning phase. At Harrison Avenue, we enter the Fillmore neighborhood, named for Fillmore Avenue, which runs across the center of the neighborhood. The Fillmore neighborhood is considered to be suburban and has higher property values and larger houses than the previous neighborhoods we've traveled through. At Robert E. Lee Boulevard, we enter the Lake Terrace neighborhood, developed in the 1950s. This neighborhood is adjacent to Lake Pontchartrain, Bayou St. John, and City Park, and has home values at $500,000 and up. Here the road curves to parallel the shore of Lake Pontchartrain and the name changes to Oriole Street. Ahead is a traffic circle at the junction of Oriole, Paris Avenue, and Lakeshore Drive. We'll drive around the traffic circle and under Lakeshore Drive's Bayou St. John overpass and get back on St. Bernard Avenue. We conclude our drive today at the corner of St. Bernard Avenue and Robert E. Lee Boulevard with a view of the Holy Trinity Greek Orthodox Cathedral in front of us. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.